be flying to AL60. It's in Alabama for a fly-in. I put a flyer on the screen right now. It's gonna be Duggars Field, so it should be fun. Resident traffic 9, so Kilo back team 136 was low. Traffic 9, Kilo, departing runway 36 was out. By that 1,000-foot marker. Was it? Yep.
November 999 Hotel something, go ahead.
Yes sir, November 9er Hotel Kilo requesting flight following to Alpha Lima 60 or climbing through 2,800 for 6,500.
999 Hotel Kilo, squawk 0145.
Squawk 0145 of 999 Hotel Kilo.
9 Hotel Kilo, ident, stay altitude leaving, Columbus altimeter 3010.
I did, and we're climbing through 3,200, 999 Hotel Kilo.
9 Hotel Kilo, radar contact, 10 miles east of Lagrange, leaving 3,200, altimeter 3010.
3010, 99 Hotel Kilo. Oop, you can start to feel the cool air now. Oh yeah.
November 9 Hotel Kilo, please tell me again your type aircraft and your destination.
Type aircraft is a PA-22 and we're flying to Alpha Lima 60.
Okay, and is what major airport is that close to? Because it's the computer's not going to take a 4-character destination.
Kilo Golf Alpha Delta is the closest one.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, say 9 Hotel Kilo at all? He doesn't make it?
What?
He never said 9 Hotel Kilo. The last guy yelled at me.
Really?
And I said 9 Hotel Kilo, and he's like, please respond with your full number. Yeah. Your full in
9
number.
Hotel Kilo, what altitude are you going to try to climb to this morning?
6,500, 9 Hotel Kilo.
9 Hotel Kilo, squawk. Well, give me just 1 second. The computer's spinning a whole bunch of stuff. There it is. 9 Hotel Kilo, squawk 5177, 5177.
5177, 9 Hotel Kilo.
Hotel Kilo, you just have to let the next sectors know that you're not actually landing at Gadsden, but at that airport close to Gadsden.
Roger, will do. 9 Hotel Kilo.
We need rudder trim.
Yeah. Although these rudder pedals are weird, they stick, so it basically is rudder trim.
Lights keep wanting to go into a roll because it's just right a little bit.
What are you doing? It's not to the right, it's to the left.
Now it's in the center. Yeah, you don't have to fight it now. Watch. Wait for it. There it goes.
November 9 Hotel Kilo, contact Atlanta Center 134.905.
134.905, 999 Hotel Kilo. 34905. Atlanta approach 999 Hotel Kilo with you, 6,500 going to Alpha Lima 60.
Number 999 Hotel Kilo, Atlanta Center, DS, altimeter is 3012, maintain verify, rise me altitude, thank you.
3012 999 Hotel Kilo.
You're supposed to tell them that you're not going to Gadsden.
I just did. Alpha Lima 60.
Hasn't figured that out yet.
Nope.
Got out 66, your discretion, maintain 1000.
Delta 1179 with you, flight level 240.
Atlanta Southwest 3663, 25-2 for flight level 240, 280 speed transition.
South 3663, Atlanta Center, cross chipper at maintain 13,000, the Atlanta altimeter is 3013.
Chipper at 13,000 on 3013, Southwest 3663.
1179, Atlanta.
Yeah, we called you and we're waiting for your response. Delta 1179.
Alright, sorry, I must have missed you. Do the best you can to cross chipper at maintain 13,000, the Atlanta altimeter is 3013.
Okay, 3013, cross the shipper at 13,000 with your best, Delta 1179, thank you.
American 1567, Atlanta Center 128.72.
2872 American 1567, have a good day.
Yeah. Skyline 66, contact Birmingham approach on 127.67.
See?
No, 999 Hotel Kilo, just be advised that restricted area is active, North Talladega, 8,000 and below.
Alright, we're vector around that, thank you. 999 Hotel Kilo. Right there.
Airshow 6270.
10 and 28, which means we're going to be landing 10. We're landing east. Alright.
That makes sense because that's the way the arrow was pointing.
Was it? Yeah, I guess so. Which means we're basically going to be, we could do a straight in, but it's all left traffic, so.
No, we have to come back around and come this way.
Oh yeah. So that means we're interrupted 45.
Yep.
On the other side.
And I would say it's going to be kind of busy.
Yeah, I have to get the frequency.
I don't have service.
Yeah, we just lost.
Oh, I just got it.
Right, I have the big thing. 122.82. 122.82. Okay.
More fog. Yep. I could see in the clouds how it'd be easy to get
Disoriented.
Yeah.
Jacob was talking to someone, and they said if you're in a cub where there doesn't have an artificial horizon or anything like that, just trim it for what you think is level and just fly it.
November 999 Hotel Kilo, contact the Birmingham approach on 125.45.
125.45, 999 Hotel Kilo, thank you. What was it? Birmingham approach?
I just say approach.
Approach 999 Hotel Kilo with you at 6,500 to Alpha Lima 60.
Number 999 Hotel Kilo, Birmingham approach, Birmingham altimeter 3012, remain outside of restricted area 2102. They are live fire today.
3102 and remain out of the restricted 999 Hotel Kilo. Thank you.
Delta 6059, turn right Davis, resume on navigation.
Live fire today, that's interesting. Yep.
Delta 667, maintain 2,200, airport 9 o'clock, 5
I
miles.
would stay way out of it. You might want to go to the right of that just in case your GPS is wrong.
Visual approach, runway 6, enter left base, your discretion, contact Birmingham Tower, 119.9, good morning. Number 3044 uniform, Bessemer Airport, 12 o'clock, 12 miles, no traffic observed, squawk VFR, change advisor, frequency approved.
I haven't heard anyone reply to him.
Oh, sometimes it might be too far away for us to hear.
I would stay to the right. All I got to do is think you're
The
coming
time
in.
just changed. Did it? 7:16. Huh. That's cool.
I would come all the way.
999 Hotel Kilo, radar contact lost, 33 miles southeast of Gadsden.
Wonder why that happened.
I don't know. He lost you?
Yeah. Transponder's still on.
3 miles south of Gadsden. We're way further than that. Is this Gadsden?
Yeah, I guess he said Anniston. Or was it an intersection?
I don't know. I'd ask him if he lost you.
Birmingham approach 999 Hotel Kilo. Did you lose us?
9 Hotel Kilo, I got you back now, so disregard the last report. I still have you radar contact 6,500. Revised VFR descent.
Alright, roger, 999 Hotel Kilo.
Show 6059, let me call the center, see why they don't see you.
He just told you to let him know when you're descending.
Yeah.
I don't know what the weather's like over there. You probably should have called. Checked.
We can turn to the AWOS. See.
Boy 4099, contact line
I can just tell him.
7.3.
You want to?
Yeah.
Number 90473, Quebec, Birmingham, departure, radar contact, resume on navigation, climb VFRs requested.
Birmingham approach 999 Hotel Kilo. Can we switch frequencies to listen to the AWOS?
Number 9 Hotel Kilo, no traffic is there between you and the airport. I'm going to lose you on radar momentarily, so squawk VFR, change advisory, frequencies approved. Have a good day.
Squawk VFR and change the advisory. Thank you. 999 Hotel Kilo.
Number 917 Golf Papa, descend, maintain 3000. Allegiance 4522, resume normal speed, contact Atlanta Center, 127.
Automated weather observation. 122-9er. Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 7. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 20 Celsius. Altimeter 3013. Remarks. Density altitude 1,100. Gadsden Municipal Airport.
I didn't hear what it said. What was it?
0 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 7. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20 Celsius.
That's
Yeah. 122.82. Yeah, look at that. The clouds are going over the...
yeah, as I said, over the mountain range.
That's pretty cool. I gotta get some thoughts. Alright.
I don't know. Is it right there?
Remember, there's... oh yeah, that's it right down there. There's a lake. That'll be close. Well, we think we got here, but it's covered in a little bit of fog.
There it is.
See it?
It runs along the length of the... yeah, I think...
I think that's it straight ahead off the nose. It's like
Yeah.
right on the edge. Here, let me see.
right at the mountain.
This was a lodge or something like that.
Tell you what, you're going to have to come off the mountain and then... looks like you dive for the runway.
that's fine. I mean, we got a thing for it. Let's see if I can see the planes.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah, that's definitely it, because I see a plane down there. And I remember seeing that type of lake there.
Yeah, it's right by the water. So you're going to come from the west and land this way?
East.
Right, come from the west and land east.
We're just have to circle over here. We're on their CTAF, so they're not. There's no one around.
Yeah, but you gotta watch out for the other airports.
There's not any other airports around here. That's way out there. That's on the other side of that mountain range. Yeah, I see all the planes down there.
I think you could probably get in.
Yeah, we can. Doesn't say
Are you
what.
trying to descend or no?
Aren't we descending? No.
No, you aren't. I'd circle around it and come down.
Okay. The guy said we couldn't show up early.
He did?
No, he said he didn't. He never said that we couldn't show up. And I mean, he said the earlier you get, the better.
Yeah, just tell him you didn't realize, forgot about the hour change, because I did. Radio down there, see if anyone's up.
Well, I texted Martin, he's not.
No, on the CTAF.
What is this?
Duggar.
Duggar's Field 90909 Hotel Kilo. Can we land there?
Tell him you're descending for landing. You got permission already.
There's no one awake.
I would just radio Duggar Field and let him know that you're coming in.
Okay. I see 3 planes down there.
I think the fog's moving in, actually.
Do we need to get down?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Duggar's Field 909 Hotel Kilo is circling overhead to get down to the traffic pattern. Duggar's.
Good morning, Duggar Field.
Morning.
How's it look like up there to you?
There's a little bit of fog moving in, but we're good to, there's a clear spot, so we're taking it.
Well, come on, you'll be the first one, I think.
Cool.
I'd say that's what happens when you forget about the time change. That's what I'd say.
I guess that's what happens when you forget about the time change from Georgia.
Yeah, we're expecting to burn off around 10, but you might get a patch in one a little bit, like landing to the west would be your best option if you can see due to the sun.
Landing to the west?
Land into the east or to the west?
Land to the east or west? When we called the guy, he said land east.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to have the visibility to land east due to the sun. You may be better off to the west.
Alright, we're due west, if that's alright with you guys.
It's too calm down here.
Sun's rising. He thinks it's in the east. Tell him we're landed to the east toward the sun.
That's what he means.
Right. So just tell him you're landing.
No, he said we can't see because the sun's rising. That's what he said.
Okay. So what runway is that?
28.
Or just say you want us to use 28.
Sorry, so I guess we're using 28?
Yeah, you can attempt 28, land at your discretion, obviously.
Roger. We're on the downwind now.
I don't even know where it begins.
I see it. It's right where that big thing is.
I would double check.
I can see it. It's where their fire truck is in there.
I think there's a grass spot of high grass in between that and the actual runway.
The high grass is right off in between the strut right now. You want to do a low pass over so we can see?
Yeah.
Okay. But then the fog's moving in, so then we might not be able to get back down. But whatever.
Well, I mean, be ready to land it if it looks good. No.
I know, I'm waiting.
Okay. let it die.
Oh, right there. Okay, we're at the circle again. Geesh, that's close.
What is?
It's right there.
Oh, it's too foggy, I think.
Yeah, can't do it. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I don't think we'll be able to do it. Can't see. Yeah, we're going.
I put the...
And Douglasfield, we're going to go ahead and go somewhere else. There's a lot of fog right when we about to land, so we'll be back in a little bit.
Sounds good. I think Gadsden to the north is still reporting clear.
Alright, thank you. Gaston, where's that?
to the north.
I guess he meant northeast elevation.
You might want to watch where you're... Make sure you get up over these.
Do this. Fly next to it. Everybody there?
That guy is right there. Oh, no, he's not.
Not moving.
Hey, radio.
I am. Trigger fuel 9 Hotel Kilo is taking the active. Duggar.
I'd go all the way back if you can, yeah.
Trigger fuel 9 Hotel Kilo departing the runway 28 and approach to the east.
Here comes the bumps. I'd let it build speed up. Oh yeah. Plenty easy.
What?
Plenty easy. Did we get our chairs?
Yeah. I'll put them back there. Birmingham approach 909er Hotel Kilo with request.
909 Hotel Juliet, Birmingham approach.
We're requesting flight following to 5 Alpha 9. We're type PA22 climbing through 2,700.
909 Hotel Juliet, what's your destination and where are you going from?
What should we say? We're just say northeast Alabama.
Just say,
There's your Romeo Tango, turn right, direct Gump.
Direct Gump,
All right,
Romeo Tango.
And we are November 909er Hotel Kilo. We are coming from Golf Alpha Delta to 5 Alpha 9.
909 Hotel Kilo, you said you're off of Gadsden. What's your destination?
5 Alpha 9.
There's your Romeo Tango, contact Atlanta Center 132.25, good day.
3225-350, Romeo Tango, good day.
In Birmingham, 559 Charlie, out of 1,200, looking to go to 9,000 on flight plan back to Mike Bravo Tango.
you're gonna have to get up.
909 Hotel Kilo, squawk 5206.
Squawk 5206 909er Hotel Kilo. 5.
Who was looking to pick up the flight plan?
Ma'am, 559 Charlie off of St. Clair County, pass through 1,500 and 9,000.
909 Charlie, squawk 3.
Atlanta approach 909er Hotel Kilo starting our descent.
Number 9 Delta Sierra, the phonetics for Nello, November Echo, Lima
It was reading
Oscar.
back.
And for Hindi is Hotel India, November Delta Echo.
The guy was reading back. Did they hear us?
9 Delta Sierra, hold for release. Let me know your number 1 ready to go.
Stand by, approach Skyhouse 75754. We have information. Roll me at the Fulton County Airport.
75754, roger.
It's almost dead.
Tag it while you can, no one's talking.
November 909 Hotel Kilo, we're starting our descent.
November 909 Hotel Kilo, roger. How far to your destination?
7 nautical miles, 909 Hotel Kilo.
How many did you say? 7?
Roger.
Radar service Sherman, squawk through car, change of 60 approved.
Squawk VFR and change frequency, 909 Hotel Kilo, thank you. Roosevelt traffic, 9 kilos, entering the left downwind for runway 36, Roosevelt.
At 2,500 feet?
Yeah. Read down by the time I get into the pattern. Roosevelt traffic, 9 kilos, left base, runway 36, full stop, Roosevelt. Roosevelt traffic, 9 kilos, short final, runway 36, full stop, Roosevelt.
Not bad. Not gonna make it to the second one.
No. Oh, good, the camera recorded that. Thought I was gonna die, there's no bars on it, so.
Well, we made it back.
Yep. Plane did good.
Yes, it did. Go past it.
We are.